Hello, dear viewers. We're so glad to have you back with us. Today, we're excited to explore the incredible world of reclaimed old wood and share some stunning upcycled wood decor ideas that will spark your creativity. Reclaimed wood not only adds unique character and charm to your home, but it's also an eco-friendly choice that helps reduce waste. Stay with us until the end of the video for all the inspiring ideas. And if you love what you see, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we upload new content. Your likes and shares help us grow and bring you even more exciting projects. Let's get started. Reclaimed old wood has become a cornerstone of creative home decor, offering endless possibilities for those in the woodworking business. As consumers increasingly seek sustainable options, the use of reclaimed materials not only appeals to environmentally conscious shoppers, but also allows artisans to showcase their craftsmanship in unique ways. This trend embraces the beauty of imperfections, celebrating the history and character that each piece of wood carries. One of the most appealing aspects of using reclaimed wood is its versatility. Woodworkers can transform these materials into a variety of decor items, from functional pieces to artistic displays. The grain patterns, textures, and colors of reclaimed would provide an opportunity to create one-of-a-kind designs that stand out in any setting. This uniqueness can be a significant selling point, attracting customers who value originality and craftsmanship. Incorporating reclaimed wood into decor also allows artisans to tell a story. Each piece has its own history, which can resonate with buyers. By sharing the background of the materials used, woodworkers can create a deeper connection with their audience. This narrative element not only enhances the perceived value of the product, but also fosters customer loyalty, as people often feel more invested in items with a meaningful story behind them. Furthermore, the sustainability aspect of reclaimed wood aligns with the growing trend towards eco-friendly living. Consumers are increasingly aware of their environmental impact and seek products that reflect their values. By promoting the use of reclaimed materials, woodworkers can position themselves as responsible artisans who care about the planet. This commitment can set a business apart in a crowded market, appealing to a demographic that prioritizes ethical consumption. The process of working with reclaimed wood can also inspire creativity and innovation. Each piece presents its own set of challenges and opportunities, encouraging woodworkers to think outside the box. This experimentation can lead to the development of new techniques and designs that keep the craft fresh and exciting. By continuously pushing the boundaries of what can be created, artisans can maintain a dynamic portfolio that attracts new customers. In addition to individual projects, reclaimed wood opens up opportunities for collaborative ventures. Woodworkers can partner with interior designers, architects, and even other artisans to create cohesive decor themes. These collaborations can result in bespoke pieces that cater to specific client needs, allowing for greater customization and expanding the reach of both businesses. Working together can also share resources and promote each other's work, strengthening community ties. As the demand for reclaimed wood decor grows, so does the potential for educational initiatives. Workshops and classes can be organized to teach others the skills needed to work with reclaimed materials. This not only empowers individuals to explore their creativity, but also establishes the instructor as an expert in the field. Offering courses can create an additional revenue stream, contributing to the overall success of a woodworking business. Marketing reclaimed wood decor effectively is crucial for attracting the right audience. Utilizing social media platforms to showcase the beauty and uniqueness of each piece can help generate interest. Visual storytelling through high-quality images and videos can highlight the craftsmanship involved, drawing potential customers in. Engaging with followers by sharing behind-the-scenes content can also cultivate a loyal community that supports the business. Another significant aspect to consider is the importance of branding. A strong brand that emphasizes sustainability and craftsmanship can resonate with consumers. Developing a cohesive aesthetic and messaging can help establish a recognizable identity in the market. This branding can extend beyond products to encompass the entire customer experience, from packaging to customer service, creating a lasting impression. As trends evolve, staying informed about market demands and consumer preferences is essential. Keeping an eye on design trends can inspire new product ideas and help woodworkers adapt to changing tastes. Engaging with customers through surveys or feedback can also provide valuable insights, allowing artisans to refine their offerings and meet the needs of their audience. Participating in local craft fairs and markets can further enhance visibility and foster community connections. These events provide an opportunity to showcase reclaimed wood decor in person, allowing potential customers to appreciate the craftsmanship firsthand. Networking with other artisans at these events can lead to fruitful collaborations and exposure to new audiences. Moreover, the online marketplace presents a vast opportunity for selling reclaimed wood decor. Setting up an e-commerce platform allows woodworkers to reach a global audience, expanding their customer base beyond local limitations. With the right digital marketing strategies, artisans can effectively promote their work and drive traffic to their online shop. In summary, reclaimed old wood offers a wealth of opportunities for creative expression and business growth in the woodworking industry. By embracing the uniqueness of these materials, woodworkers can craft stunning decor that resonates with consumers. The combination of sustainability, creativity, and storytelling creates a compelling narrative that attracts customers and fosters loyalty. As the demand for reclaimed wood continues to grow, artisans can thrive by innovating, collaborating, and staying attuned to market trends. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed exploring these stunning upcycled wood decor ideas using reclaimed old wood. If you found inspiration in today's video, please give us a thumbs up and share it with others who might appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We can't wait to see you in our next video.